Now to the archaea. These are the similar microorganisms as the bacteria, but they are actually pretty different from the bacteria. How are they different? Is their ribosomal RNA. I don't know if you know, but you have to know that the RNA and DNA are actually everything that a being is. And the other property that can differentiate them drastically from bacteria is the living in the harsh conditions. And by harsh condition means the extreme cold and the extreme hot, and that refers to the cold of the Antarctica and the hotness of the volcano. Understand? These are the harsh conditions. Even under actually pretty high pressure, they can survive, which is actually not possible for the bacteria. So the example of the archaea is Methanogens. It is actually not the name of the bacteria, it is a group of bacteria that produces the methane gas. Let me tell you the methane gas. Methane gas is a gas which is well actually used in a lot of things. But the one thing that you must be familiar with, or you are familiar with, is the gas that you use in your house to produce fire, in your stoves or in your ovens to cook your food. And the gas maybe came from the bacteria. Wow, who knows? You all know that where methane gas comes from, and it is actually deep in the soil layers, and it is produced by multiple reaction by these kind of bacteria. And since they are so below the soil, so is no oxygen. So it means they can survive in the environment where there is no oxygen, and that environment where there is no oxygen is actually anaerobic environment.